Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready students? Okay? Sit in a place. Sit. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children? Stop. Children, higher order thinking skills. See, Priya collected 456 stamps and Riya collected 289 stamps. Estimate the total number of stamps they collected. See, Priya collected how many stamps? 456 stamps. Riya collected 289 stamps. Estimate the total number of stamps they collected. What you have to do is to estimate the sum and you should do the answer. First of all, 21st one, solution. See, number of stamps collected by Priya. How many? 456. Okay. Now what you have to do? Rounding off you should do. Rounding of 456 to the nearest tens gives 456 nearest tens 460. Yes. Next, number of stamps collected by Riya. How many? Number of stamps collected by Riya? 289. Yes. Again, rounding off you should do. Yes. Rounding of 289 to the nearest tens gives. See, 289 nearest 290. Yes. Now what you have to do? You should add these two. The sum of 460. See, 460 and 290. This. What will get? See, if you do this sum, 460 plus 290. What? How much you will get? 0 plus 0. 0. 9 plus 6. 9 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. S. 1 carry forward. 4 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 7, 50 we will get. S. Now. Therefore, the estimated total number of stamps that Priya and Riya have is 750. Understood? Children, you should practice. Children, revision. Now already I completed higher order thinking skill 4.1. Yes. Now 4.2. Okay. Workbook. Workbook what I am doing. See. Recall. Multiple choice questions. Addition of two or more numbers by writing one below the other is called dash. What will call? Horizontal addition, vertical addition, vertical multiplication, vertical subtraction. What we call? Addition of two or more numbers by writing one below the other is called vertical addition. S. B. Option B. First one. Next one. The sum of 100 and 200. 100 plus 200. 300. Yes. 100 plus 200. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. What is that option? Option B. 300. Yes. Next. See. The sum when we carry forward the first digit while adding one digit would be dash. What is that? Less than 10 or greater than 10. Yes or no? Both A and Sarima. A 10, less than 10, greater than 10. Which one? Both A and C. Okay. 10, if 10 comes means what you have to do? You should 0, you should keep and you should carry forward 1. Yes. Otherwise, greater than 10 also. 11, 12, 13, 20, 30, 40, 50. Any number if you come means what you will do? You should keep the carry forward. Yes. D. Option D. Next. Multiple choice questions. Which digit should we carry forward if the additions in the tens place is 13? In the 13, which digit you carry forward? Ones place or tens place? Tens place. Yes, what is that number? 1. A. Yes. Now, next. What do we first add while adding two 3-digit numbers? The digits in the ones place, the digit in the tens place, the digits in the hundreds place, all the digits. Which digit you will add first? Ones place. S. Option A. Next. In addition, if the sum of the digit in the tens place is more than 9, we have to carry it forward to the dash. See, ones place, thousands place, hundreds place and tens place. See, in tens place, if you add in the addition, if the sum of the digit in the tens place is more than 9, what will do? You should carry forward to hundreds place. Yes, see, fill in the blanks. The sum of numbers 222 and 444. See, seventh one. What is the sum? 222, 444. If you add 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 2, 6. What is the number? Sum 666 is the answer. As next, the sum of 1100 and 2200. See, 1100 and 2200. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. What is that answer? 8th one, 3300 is the answer. Okay. If the sum of digit in the hundreds place is more than 9, we have to carry forward to the dash place. In the hundreds place, more than 9 means what you have to do? We carry forward to hundreds, thousands place. Understood? If 100 place, more than 9 come means what you have to do? You should carry forward to thousands place. Yes, 1000. Now, 10th one. See, add 1111 plus 1002. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2113 is the answer. Understood? Next, 11th one. 4100 and 4200. See, 4100 plus 4200. If you add these two numbers, what number will get? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 8300. Understood, children? 12th one. What is the sum of 200 and 800? See, 200 plus 800. What is the sum? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 1000 is the answer. Understood? Should practice, ma? Children, 13th one. Short answer questions. Find the sum. Find the sum. Find the sum of. See, A1. 5375 and 2103. What you have to do? You should draw the place value chart. As ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. See, 5375, 2103. 3. Here which symbol you should draw? Plus symbol. S. 5 plus 3. 8. 7 plus 0. 7. 3 plus 1. 4. 5 plus 2. 7. What is that answer? 7478 is the answer. B1. 1282 and 1117. What you have to do? Should draw the column. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. See, 1282 plus 1117. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. What is that answer? 2399. This is 13th one. Yes. Now 14th one. 14th one. What is that? 2543 and 6345. Columns you should draw. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 2543, 6345. See, ones place you should add first. 5 plus 3, 8. Tens place, 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. What is that answer? 8888 is the answer. Next, B1. What is that question? 1463 and 2336. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes. See, like that only you should do 15th one also. 15th and 16th. Okay, children? 1463, 2336. See, 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Same, 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 2 in the mind, take 1 finger. 2 after 3. 3799 is the answer. You should practice like that only 15th and 16th also. Understood? Children, 15th one. 15th one, 16th one we should do ma. Application. Short answer questions. See? What is that? Noah has 269 pens and Ali has 832 pens. How many pens do they have? Both have. See what you have to do? You should read the question properly and you should understand that. That is addition sum or subtraction sum. Yes. See, Noah has 269 pens and Ali has 832 pens. How many pens do they have? Do they both have? Yes. Number of pens. 17th one. number of pens Noah has. How many? 269. Number of pens Ali has. How many? 832. Yes. What you have to do? Should add. Yes. Total number of pens is equal to 269 plus 832. Yes. See, ones, tens, hundreds. 269, 832. 9 plus symbol. 9 plus 2. 9 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11. 11 like that only you should write? No. 1 here, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 6 after. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 like that only you should write? No. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 8 plus 2. 8 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10. 10 in the mind, take 1 finger. 10 after. 11. That 11 you should write. 1101. Understood? Answer. Next. Maya's garden has 673 roses. Mia's gardens has 978 roses. How many roses are there in their 2 gardens? Okay? This one I didn't write now. Therefore, next, what is that? Mia's garden has 670. See children, 19th one. Maya's garden has 673 roses. Mia's garden has 978 roses. How many roses are there in the 2 gardens? Yes, here Maya's garden, how many roses are there? 673 roses. Mia's garden, how many are there? 978 roses. How many roses there in the 2 gardens? In 2 gardens, total number of roses you should find. That's it. Okay. Number of roses in Maya's garden. How many? 673 roses. Number of roses in Mia's garden. How many? 978. What you have to do? You should add as ones, tens, hundreds. See, 673, 978. Addition you should do. Yes. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 8 in a mind. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. 11 like that only you should write? No. 1 here, 1 carry forward. 7 plus 7. 7 in a mind. Take 7 fingers. 7 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry. 7 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 6. 9 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. What is that answer? 1651 is the answer. Total number of roses is equal to 673 plus 978, 1651. Okay. Therefore, there are 1651 roses in the two gardens. Understood, children? You should practice these all revision part. Understood? You should practice properly.